set. Thank you. Thank you, Sophie.
Oh, Jenny.
You want me to wear it?
Just putting... You want to talk to Grandpa, Sophie? Here, say hello to Grandpa.
Hello, Grandpa.
Oh. Come here.
Say it again.
Say it again.
Hello.
Say hello, Grandpa.
Say hello, Grandpa.
Why does she whisper?
It's in her demonic voice.
She's saying hello in her demonic voice.
Really?
Okay, sounds good. Hey, we went apple picking and we
Sophie.
had lunch.
Sophia, what's your name?
And
What?
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 You're Sophia Wood?
careful.
Sophia
And now
Wood, how
we're
old are you?
asking Sophie who she is.
How old are you?
And she says Sophie Wood.
She says Sophia Wood.
Yeah, so she knows her name pretty well. Sophie, you want to say hi to Grandma?
To Mimi.
Or Mimi? Do you want to say hi to Mimi?
Hi, Mimi.
Say it again.
Hi, Mimi.
Say it louder. Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi. Yeah. Guys, I'm a donut, Mom.
Should have done it.
Remember?
I had a donut.
A donut, Mimi. I love you, Sophie.
Oh. Mom, this is Katie.
Tell Mom Sophie was saying she had a donut.
Sophie was telling you that she had a donut when we went to go pick apples today. And that she loves you. Yeah, she loved that. Sugar rush.
She's like, Aunt Sophie, what animals did you see today?
Yeah, we each got something, so it's good. So, thank you, Sophie. Yeah, it's yesterday. Well, so they were saying yesterday it was supposed to rain, but it really didn't rain until last night. And then it was nice today, so. Yeah. Well,
Sophie, what are you making?
They'll probably, Jenny and Nikki will probably freeze some. I probably won't, because we'll be leaving soon.
Peanut butter.
You're making peanut butter, but you can't have any peanut butter.
We just got two
Peanut butter, too.
Yeah, 2 bags.
Soy butter?
So,
Soy butter.
Yeah.
but
Soy butter we can eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The soy butter now.
You basically just drive out there and then you
Soy butter
pick
take
whatever
that
On a cracker?
they're letting you pick at that time. So,
Can Mommy have a bite?
but you couldn't pick the ones that I really want, so we just bought those at the store. So.
Yummy. You want to give Katie some?
Yum, yum.
Katie, some?
Yeah,
Jenny, some?
yeah, so they let you taste test all the apples, and then they have apple cider and all that sort of stuff. So.
Guys.
Do you hear Daddy?
Too much.
Yeah.
Do you hear Daddy?
Daddy said some pizza.
You can
Daddy
give
Soon,
peanut
probably like
butter.
around
you can give Daddy some soy butter.
Soy butter.
Yeah. So we gotta get the zip car back, so we have to get the zip car back. Yep.
What's there to eat, Mommy?
It's too much,
Hi,
Daddy.
Daddy.
Hi.
You look like you have sunglasses on.